The flat screen TVs.
Yeah, me and Ken be playing Halo, man. I'll be killing Ken. Ken be like, yeah. Then I'll hand the mic on the camera and be like,